Ever wonder how top-tier websites get those sleek custom scroll bars? Stop using the default gray bar from the 90s. Today, I'm going to show you how to master scroll bar customization using nothing but pure CSS. Right here on my phone, watch the result first. See that beautiful blue scroll bar? It matches the theme perfectly. Now let's wipe the slate clean and build this from the ground up so you understand every single line. Let's go. First, we need our basic HTML boilerplate. We'll start with the doc type declaration and the opening HTML tag. Remember, we're keeping everything in one file for simplicity today. Now let's open up the head section. This is where all our magic styling is going to live. Inside the head, we'll open a style tag. CSS is the only tool we need for this transformation. Before we touch the scroll bar, let's make the page look decent. I'm setting a dark background color using a slate blue hex code and setting the text to a light off-white. This contrast is key for modern UI. I'll also add a clean sans serif font and some padding so our text isn't hugging the edges of the screen. Good spacing is the difference between a junior and a senior dev's work. Now for the main event, we use the Webkit scrollbar pseudo-element. This targets browsers like Chrome, Safari, and Edge. Think of this as the container for the scroll bar itself. The width property here defines how thick that scroll bar is. 12 pixels is a sweet spot, not too chunky but easy to grab with a mouse. Next, we style the track. That's the path the scroll bar slides on. By making the track slightly lighter than the body background, we create a subtle visual hierarchy. It tells the user, hey, something interactive lives here. Now let's style the thumb. This is the actual bar that moves. We're going to give it a vibrant sky blue color to make it pop against our dark theme. To make it look truly modern, let's round those corners. A border radius of 10 pixels gives it that pill shape that's very popular in mobile-first design right now. Here is a pro secret: add a border to the thumb that matches the track color. This acts like internal padding, making the thumb look slimmer and more elegant within the track. But wait, what about Firefox? Firefox doesn't use Webkit, it follows the newer W3C standard. We target the HTML element and use scrollbar width and scrollbar-color for cross-browser support. The scrollbar-color property takes two values, the thumb color first, then the track color. It's much simpler than the Webkit version, but offers less control over things like borders and radius. We're done with the CSS. Let's close our style and head tags. It's time to build the actual body of the page so we have something to scroll through. I'll add a main heading. Note how I'm keeping the code lines very short, under 42 characters. This makes your code readable on any device, even a small phone screen. To actually see a scroll bar, the content needs to be taller than the screen. I'll create a div and set its height to 200 VH. That's 200% of the viewport height. Let's add some text to guide our users. Scroll down to see the magic. If you're following along, you're about to see your UI skills level up instantly. Finally, let's close our body and HTML tags. Our single-file masterpiece is complete. Look at how clean that structure is. No external libraries, just pure web standards. Alright, moment of truth. Let's hit that run button and check out our custom creation. Look at that smooth, rounded blue scroll bar. It looks 1,000 times better than the default. This works on Chrome, Safari, and Firefox. It's a small detail, but it's these tiny touches that make your portfolio stand out to employers. Screenshot this CSS, you'll need it. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and follow CodeVarsity for more mobile-first coding tutorials. What should we build next? Let me know in the comments. See ya. Sharpen your skills on the go. Download CodeVarsity today from Play Store for premium courses, curated YouTube hubs, and interactive practice snippets with built-in IDE.